In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to GCash. If you want to send money quickly using Wise and have it go to a GCash account, this process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open Wise and go to the home page. Make sure you're logged into your account before you start so you can access the sending options right away. Once you're on the Wise home screen, take a moment to look over the main dashboard. This is where you'll normally find your balance, recent activity, and the tools you needed to move money. From the home page, click on Send. This is the option you'll use whenever you want to transfer money to another person, bank account, or supported wallet. After clicking Send, Wise will take you into the money transfer flow. This is where you choose who you're sending to and how the money will be received. Next, click on GCash. Selecting GCash tells Wise that you want the transfer to go directly to a GCash wallet rather than to a traditional bank account. This is important because it helps ensure the transfer is routed correctly and uses the right receiving method. As you go through this process, double check that you've selected the correct recipient option before confirming anything. A small mistake in the destination can delay the transfer, so it's always worth reviewing the details carefully. It's also a good idea to confirm that the receiving GCash account is ready to accept funds and that the account information matches what Wise expects. Another helpful tip is to pay attention to any transfer fees, exchange rates, or delivery estimates shown on the screen. Wise usually displays these clearly before you finalize the transfer, which makes it easier to understand exactly how much will be sent and how much the recipient should receive. Reviewing this information helps avoid surprises and gives you confidence before you complete the payment. Once you've selected GCash, simply continue through the prompts shown by Wise to move forward with your transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and review everything one last time before confirming. That's how to transfer money from Wise to GCash. As you can see, the process starts by going to Wise, clicking Send, and then choosing GCash as the destination. If you found this helpful, feel free to follow along again while completing your own transfer so you can do it smoothly and accurately.